Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're talking about the one and only Pi network. We saw this asset do very well, storming into the cryptocurrency space with a $10 billion market cap currently. But in this video, we're going to be dissecting essentially what it is, what it's about, what the price is, and how high this could be going in the next coming weeks, months or so. If you like the content, smash a little like on it. And also, guys, I'll be telling you shortly about a project that is destined to do very well, something that I'm invested in, that I'm very excited for the launch. Looking for around a 50x on that investment, so stay tuned for that. Bit of alpha information for you there. Let's get straight into this. So what is Pi? The first digital currency you can mine on your phone. I've downloaded this app. I'm currently mining Pi. I'll actually leave a link for you guys to download this on your phone if you would like to. But basically, you mine Pi, you support the network, you support the transaction. This is a social media Bitcoin, a social media cryptocurrency project here that is basically run by its users. Now, with Bitcoin, with other projects that require nodes to basically validate transactions, validate the network running, Pi network does that. But instead of having nodes on big computers and using a lot of GPU power, basically it does it from your phones. So these are very small micro nodes, if you want to call it that, and you guys are actually running the network from a decentralized standpoint from your phone. And it is, as I said, a social sort of aspect to cryptocurrency that we haven't really seen before, okay? So you can see here, Pi Network is a social cryptocurrency developer platform and ecosystem designed for widespread accessibility and real-world utility. So there is other stuff inside of this as well as the social aspect to crypto. Pretty cool project. As I said, it stormed in at a bit higher than that actually. It was roughly around a 12 to 15, $14 billion market cap it stormed in at, and then from there it's kind of just cascaded down only naturally to a $10 billion market valuation right now. 7 days down 21%. I personally think we will see a bit more downside here just because of a coin launching and coming into the space at like a $14 billion market cap valuation. In comparison to the rest of the market and how the rest of the market is going down, it's very likely that a lot of people will be pulling their capital out of this asset to redeploy it later on to other things. So that will naturally pull the price of this asset down. Now, the big question is, what and how high will this asset go? Before I tell you that, guys, because that's the real juice on how we're going to make as much money on this as possible, I want to talk to you about Best Wallet, guys. So Best Wallet is a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, like Phantom, but they're super unique because one, they have 100,000 users. They're already rated 4.5 stars on the Google Play Store and the Google App Store. They're actually bringing out their own debit card. Okay, yes, you heard that right. Their own sort of debit card, which lives in your phone, and basically you can pay for things using contactless payments with this card with your crypto. So bridging the Web 2 and the Web 3 gap from a very unique perspective. Okay, so that is their USP. They've raised $10.9 million so far. As I said, they've already got 100,000 users, and you can see here they've got a really good app which I've got on my phone and that I use every single day. And I'll leave a link for you guys to do that. You can buy, store, deposit, send, swap, sell, manage your portfolio, stake, spend, token, and it's also got a token launchpad and it's secure. It supports 60 different chains. So definitely go check it out, guys. The real meat of this and how we're going to make as much money as possible is signing up to this pre-sale, getting involved with this pre-sale at $11 million raise for a project that already has got 100,000 users. It's a super interesting and super early opportunity. Now, if we look at an example that did well doing this was Jupiter. Remember Jupiter Decentralized Exchange on Solana? They did the same thing. They actually launched at around, I think it was a 20 or $30 million market cap. It was super low, but they had such a strong user base and it sailed straight to $2 billion market cap. It was a massive gains we made on that. So this is the same sort of idea, guys. Go check it out. Obviously, do your own research, please. I'll leave the link in the description for this project. Now, over to the Pi chart quickly because Pi chart, interesting. Pi Network, you can see, as I said, we've been descending quite aggressively down here on the hourly chart after such an aggressive ATH at around ATH. All-time high, ATH, at around $2.99, currently priced at $1.39. What are we looking at right now? We're looking at a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, guys. You can see Just here, we do have a low. We do have another, not a higher low, but a micro higher low formed in there because we are breaking highs here, looking pretty strong. This is the break point. This is the shorting area that we can be looking out for there. You can see all major moving averages are pointing to the downside, okay? So these are really, really far apart. The further apart these are, the stronger the trend is to the downside. So that's what we're looking out for here. And you can see that in terms of like trend lines and stuff like that, it's looking pretty bleak. Right, looking pretty bleak. If we're talking trend lines, you can see we're trapped in this area, and when we do see this at the bottom of a downtrend, it's a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the bottom of a downtrend, which actually makes it a bearish pennant chart pattern. Now, a bearish pennant chart pattern, guys, means continuation to the downside. So the prediction for this move to the downside is going to stem from this measure move. This is the most recent high to low in terms of the trend lines. This will bring this asset down substantially when we get this break for roughly around 16.5%. There is take profits along the way if we are going to be using these. I mean, you should be using these to profit here. 16.53% is the target, looking pretty good there. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Pi Network. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out Best Wallet. Massive opportunity there from an ICO phase. But again, lovely, lovely short position there. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.